My name is Sarah Walsh, and I am a mathematics student on the Professional Masters of Education. The title of my research project is Identifying Common Student Misconceptions in Algebra and Developing Teaching Resources to Help Overcome Such Misconceptions. Within mathematics, the strand of algebra has often been perceived by students to be quite difficult and abstract. Students often develop misconceptions in algebra which can hinder their progress in all areas of mathematics. A misconception is a view or opinion that is incorrect based on faulty thinking or understanding. This research project uses a mixed methods approach involving the collection of both quantitative and qualitative data. A pre-test questionnaire was developed containing 10 questions based on common misconceptions in algebra identified in the literature. This was administered to all third-year students at both higher and ordinary level as they had fully completed the algebra course at junior cycle. This pre-test questionnaire was then analysed to determine the common misconceptions that existed among this sample of Irish second-level students. Following this, teaching resources and materials were developed to address the misconceptions identified. A sample of these students, who are now in transition year, then completed 4 weeks of algebra lessons using the teaching resources developed. For example, using the visual method to teach the difference of two squares. Following this, the same test questionnaire was then administered to students, in addition to a survey to determine if students appreciate teaching for understanding. Statistical analysis will be performed on the quantitative data gathered from the pre- and post-test questionnaire using SPSS software. The qualitative data gathered from the survey will then be coded and analysed using NVivo software. It is hoped that through analysis of the qualitative and quantitative data that it can be determined if the teaching resources developed resulted in students overcoming their misconceptions in algebra.
Created using Powtoon.